Great day, my beautiful revivers. I'm coming to talk to you guys about your time, things that cost versus things that are free. A person that has less money but has more time to give to their family is richer than a person that has hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars who works a job that stresses them out. Think about that. Sometimes you work all the time, overtime, and too much of your time. And time is the most priceless thing that we have that we can offer. Because when things fade, are stolen, burned up in fires, and just not replaced, time is something that is always remembered, is always going to be something that you have to offer when you have not one coin in your pocket. We got to think about our life as a bank. And every time we take time out of the bank to invest it into something that is important, like friends and family, that means more than any investment that you can make. Make sure that you're investing your time into what matters, the people that care about you, that treat you good, that make you smile, that bring joy to your life, and make you happy about waking up every day. Make sure you're spending time with people like that, whether it be friends, family, or loved ones. As you know, I am a sound healing practitioner, and I play lots of instruments. And this instrument that you are hearing is a sansula, an African hand piano. And this is what it looks like. And I'm holding it in my hand as I'm talking to you. I was led to speak this to someone. Do not waste all of the time that God gives you trying to get things or trying to get more of something that won't matter the day you take your last breath. I've said this in many videos before. Children will forget things, but the time is something that they'll always remember. I don't know who this is for, but you know if it's for you. I love you guys, and remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. And remember to invest in what's important. That will give you a great return. And what is that return? The smiles, the memories, the laughter. That is priceless. Later, Gators. Stick to your script because you are the best at it. And remember, you're the most important person in your life. If you didn't exist, nothing else exists. Later, Gators.